everybody, Rosie here, and today I wanted to do a quick review on these craft rolling carts. They come both in black and white. You can see here that I have two black ones and they're actually the same. I'm going to show you why this one right here looks a little different than this one right here. You can roll it, as you can see here, and you can lock the wheels like this. You can lock all four wheels so it won't move. And what I really like about this cart is that you can extend this piece to have a lot more working room. So you can either keep that up like this or have it down. As you can see here, you can hold quite a bit of stuff. I have my entire Cricut machine here. I do not need to move my cart away from where it is. I just open this up here and I still have plenty of room, and I keep all my vinyls here. And then I have the Easy Press sitting up here with a big container, and it has these little drawers and ensure that they do not just come out. So that's nice. And you have four smaller, thinner drawers, and then you have two larger drawers. I absolutely love these carts. It provides a lot of storage, and the fact that you can move them around is fabulous. And like I said, it comes in black and white, and I would absolutely highly recommend these if you are like me and you do art or you craft and you need storage that's movable so it can just go with you wherever you need.